Buttermilk. 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space of the round 9. Chains 2. 1 single crochet in chain 1 space of the round 9. Chains 3. 1 double crochet in the center of the popcorn. Three double crochets closed together worked in chain 1 space of the round 11. Chain 1. 3 double crochets closed together. Chain 1. 1 double crochet in the center of the next popcorn. Chains 3. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total: 16 3 double crochets closed together, 16 double crochets, 16 single crochets, 16 chains 3, 8 chains 2, 8 chain 1. Raspberry. 1 single crochet front post in the double crochet front post of the round 10. One half double crochet front post in the single crochet of the round 12. 3 double crochets in the next chains 3 space. One half double crochet front post in double crochet of the round 12. 1 half double crochet front post in the 3 double crochets closed together of the round 12. Work 1 puff 3 in the chain 1 space of the round 12. Chain 1. 1 puff 3. Repeat in reverse. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet front post. Total: 16 3 double crochets closed together, 48 double crochets, 48 half double crochets front post, 16 puffs 3, 8 single crochets front post, 8 chain 1, khaki, 1 single crochet in the chains 5 space of the round 11. Chains 3. One single crochet in the next chains 5 space. Chains 2. Work in the chains 2 space of the round 12. 3 double crochets closed together. Chain 1. 3 double crochets closed together. Chains 2. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total: 16 3 double crochets closed together, 16 single crochets, 8 chains 3, 16 chains 2, 8 chain 1. Apricot. 1 single crochet in the chains 3 space of the round 14. Chains 3. 1 single crochet in the back loop of the double crochet of the round 12. Work 7 double crochets in the chain 1 space of the round 14. One single crochet in the back loop of the round 12. Chains 3. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total: 56 double crochets, 24 single crochets, 16 chains 2. Blush: 1 single crochet and chains 3 space of the round 15. Chains 3. 1 single crochet in the next chains 3 space. Work between the double crochets of the previous round. 1 popcorn separated by chain 1. Six popcorns. 5 chain 1. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. "48 popcorns, 16 single crochets, 8 chains 3. Black. Work in the chains 1 space of the round 13. Three double crochets close together. Chains 5. One slip stitch in the chain 1 space of the round 16. Work behind the work. 3 double crochets close together between 3 double crochets close together of the round 14. Chain 1. 3 double crochets close together. Chain 1. 3 double crochets close together. Chain 1. 3 double crochets close together. One slip stitch in the chain 1 space of the round 13. Chains 5. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first 3 double crochets close together. Total 43 double crochets close together, 16 chains 5, 24 chain 1, 16 slip stitches.